Assalamualaikum to Madam Nur Faiza. We are Group 6 from MAC 2206F. Will be presenting offences committed by Company Secretary and Board of Directors. This presentation is prepared by Batrisya Raihana binti Sulaiman, Nadhrah binti Ahmad Saufi, Nur Aisyah binti Latip, and Nur Iliana binti Azlan. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Nadhrah binti Ahmad Saufi. As an introduction, the foundation of a company is composed of four main elements, which include company secretary, director, shareholder, and auditor. Director understands one's responsibilities imposed by Section 213 of Companies Act 2016, which requires to exercise reasonable care, powers, diligence, and many more. Many offences committed by the company secretary, director, managers, and shareholders, such as breach of duties, and they will be punished under the act prescribed by the court.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Batrisya Raihana binti Sulaiman and I'm from MAC 2206F. Today I will explain cases 1. Cases 1. Lai Kim Sing. Lai Kim Sing, businessman of Ribu Lama Sdn Bhd, was charged in Malacca Session Court today for making false statement in a document required to be lodged to SSM. According to the charge preferred against him, the accused was believed to have falsified the information pertaining to the appointment of Wan Hairul Azlan bin Ibrahim and Aziz bin Ali as director of Ribu Lama Sdn Bhd in Form 49 date 16 April 2010. Finding of the investigation revealed that both Hairul and Aziz did not have any knowledge of their appointment as company director for the said company. The accused was charged under Section 364 Subsection 2 Company Act 1965, which carry a penalty of an imprisonment up to 10 years or fine of Rm 250,000 of both upon convictions. Status of the offence. The accused pleaded not guilty to the charge. Session Court judge allowed bail of Rm 5,000 with one surety.
Case 2. Multi-Usage Holdings Berhad. The Board of Directors of Multi-Usage Holding Berhad, Ang Kray Chin, Ang Kim Cheng, and Cha Chin Huat were charged in the Magistrate Court of failing distribute of Notice of General Meeting containing a statement in a resolution proposed by a member with more than 5% of the total shareholding. They made the confession after the charges were read out in front of Tuan Muhammad Amin bin Shahul Hamid that they have failed to distribute notice by letter dated 27 April 2015 to be conducted in the annual general meeting. The offences committed were charged under Section 303 of Companies Act 2016, which carries a fine of Rm 10,000 if convicted. The status of the offences committed was the court set to fine Rm 10,000.
Assalamualaikum. My name is Nur Aisyah binti Latip. We present case 3, Denny Lim Zishang. Denny Lim Zishang, who is a director of a company, has been convicted of an offence for failing to submit details of his company's liabilities under Section 484 Clause 6 of the Companies Act 2016, the submission of statements of affairs of company in Georgetown session on 19 February 2020. Denny Lim Zishang, who is a director of Capitalware International Sdn Bhd, should submit the details of the liability in Schedule E of the statement on the affairs of the company for the company dated 11 July 2017 to the liquidator in the manner verified by the registrar as required under the relevant section. So the status of the offence committed by Denny Lim Zishang was the court imposed a fine of 5,000 ringgit or 1 month imprisonment if he failed to pay the fine after the accused pleaded guilty in front of Judge Mazni Abdul Hamid.
Hi, my name is Nur Iliana binti Azlan. I will continue for case 4. This case 4 offences committed by the director of Zeko Sdn Bhd named Muhammad Shah bin Abu Bakar was charged at the Session Court of Kuala Lumpur for allegedly committing an offences under Section 125 Clause 1 Company Act 1965. The charge against him reads that he had acted as a director of Zeko Sdn Bhd while still an undischarged bankrupt, and besides he does not have leave from court. The offences under Section 125 Clause 1 Company Act 1965 carries a maximum penalty of 5 years imprisonment or a maximum fine of 100,000 or both. The accused pleaded not guilty to the charge and claimed trial. The Session Court Judge Y.A. Tuan Shamsuddin bin Abdullah released the accused with a bail bond of 10,000 ringgit with one surety, and his international passport was surrendered to the court as the additional condition to the bail bond. As a conclusion, company secretary, directors, managers and shareholders involved in a committed offences. Every single offences that have been done by someone with position in company will be given the punishment under the act prescribed by the court for the offences committed in accordance with the law. Each matter must be declared from the smallest liability to the largest asset. The reputation of a company can drop after the occurrence of an offences in action, and the penalty imposed depends on the severity of the offences committed. Every member who holds a position in a company needs to learn a lesson from the mistakes committed.